Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the watch first, and this is how it comes. This is in just this little sleeve, so this just slides off, and then here is the beautiful packaging with the gold lettering, and then it has this gold around the bottom of the box. It's just a really pretty boxing, and then you just open the box up. Here's the watch. This one is the classic St. Mawes. It's a 36 millimeter in silver with this is just like a dark brown watch band. And also from April 4th through the 24th, they are having a sale. It is the free strap per any watch purchase deal. So you buy a watch, you're gonna get a free strap, which is really, really cool. So with this watch, I did get another strap, so the packaging is the same. And then here's the watch strap. This one is called the classic, I think, Glasgow? It's just a blue and white striped, kind of nautical theme on that. And then the other item that I received, same packaging, just so classy. I really love this packaging. And this is just the classic cuff. This is the silver. So it just says Daniel Wellington, and it's not a complete circle, so it's a cuff, obviously, I just said. So let's go ahead and take this watch out of the package. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is JustMells. I'm going to go ahead and put it up here on the screen. That is going to save you 15% off your purchase. So you guys use that code. Go get your watch right now while they're having that deal where you get a free strap. How cool is that? So you get 2 straps, 15% off. It's just a really great deal. So here is the watch out of the package, and it does come with like the plastic film over it, so let me go ahead and take that off. Okay, so here it is with the plastic film removed. Just a very classy watch. It's genuine leather, and then it does have the DW logo on the back. And also on the watch back it does say Daniel Wellington up here as well. You guys can see that. Just a really pretty, classy watch. And it is kind of stiff, so I'm sure that will like kind of loosen up as you wear it. As soon as it like loosens up a little bit, that'll look really nice. Looks really nice right now, it's just kind of stiff. So let's go ahead and look at the cuff. It's just so pretty. I think it pairs nicely with the watch. So there you have it with the watch and the cuff together. Very pretty, and this cuff is just so simple. I think the simple things are just so pretty. Alright, and then let's see, on switching the watch band, I'm going to go ahead and switch it and let you guys see what the other watch band looks like. So I will be right back. Very cute. I think this will be cute in like the spring and summertime. So the strap and the watch come with a little owner's manual right here, owner's guide, and it tells you how to change the straps. And it also comes with, the watch came with this little tool which helps you to change the watch bands, and then it has like a little screwdriver as well. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm really enjoying this new watch. I think it's just so stylish and classy, and especially with the little bracelet also. And don't forget to use the code JustMells to get 15% off your order, and from April 4th through the 24th you're going to get a free watch strap with your watch purchase. So go ahead and go check that out. Everything will be listed down in the description box. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.